Watching others gain millions of views with forest survival content while you're stuck with zero ideas? Let's start with something that will completely open your mind. This video you're watching right now can be created using 100% free tools, and it only takes a few minutes to get started. But here's the crazy part. Videos like these are not getting just a few thousand views. They are getting millions, even tens of millions of views consistently. And where there are views, there is serious money. One single video generated around $21,000. Yes, just one video. Now look at this example. A video uploaded just 6 days ago has already crossed 54 million views. It's a long-form video. Most of the audience is from the USA, which means higher RPM, and the channel is fully monetized. Now let's break it down logically. If we take even 5.5 million views and apply a basic $4 RPM, that equals around $21,000, and that's just an estimate. When you check analytics tools, the earnings can be even higher. This is the power of this niche. Now let's understand what kind of content is going viral. These are forest survival videos. In these videos, creators show building underground shelters, creating hidden survival bases, designing luxury shelters inside tree trunks, surviving in extreme jungle conditions. These videos are extremely engaging because they trigger curiosity. People want to see, what is he building? What will happen next? How will he survive? Now comes the most important part, your shortcut. Instead of struggling for hours, I've already created a powerful master prompt for you with deep research and effort, so you don't waste time. Go to the video description, you'll find the first prompt. This prompt will generate viral video ideas, complete story concepts, scene structures. Copy this prompt, now go to Grok, paste the prompt into the prompt box. Do not change anything, just hit enter. Now watch how powerful this is. Instantly, you'll get 10 high-quality viral ideas. Each idea includes a strong, clickable title. For example, I dug a secret underground modern shelter in a haunted forest. What I found shocked me. This type of title creates curiosity, suspense, and engagement. You'll notice two main content styles: underground survival shelters, tree trunk luxury hidden homes. Now your job is simple. Pick the idea you like the most. Let's say you like idea number 6. Just type 6 and press enter. Now your selected idea will expand into a full video structure. You'll get video title, scene-by-scene breakdown. For example, a 5-minute video will include around 60 scenes. Each scene represents a small part of the story. Now here's a powerful trick. If you want longer videos, go back to the prompt and change 5 minutes to 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Now when you regenerate, you'll get 10 to 120 scenes or even more. This means longer content equals more watch time equals more earnings. Now comes the heavy work. You need image prompts for each scene, motion prompts for each scene. That means 60 scenes equals 60 image prompts plus 60 motion prompts. But don't worry, I already solved this for you. Go back to the description, copy the second prompt. This prompt will generate professional image prompts matching motion prompts. It also allows customization. You can define character type, male, female, age, clothing colors. Example, 40-year-old male, red shirt, blue pants. Paste it into Grok and press enter. Now, Grok will generate prompts in batches. First, you'll get scene 1 to scene 5. Each scene includes image prompt, motion prompt. After that, Grok will ask, should I generate the next batch? Just type next or generate next batch. Press enter. Repeat this process until all 60 scenes are complete. Now it's time to turn prompts into visuals. Go to Google and search Whisk AI. Open it. Now upload your reference image, copy first image prompt, paste into Whisk, click Generate. You'll get high-quality images with correct outfit, correct environment, consistent character. If anything looks wrong, slightly edit the prompt, regenerate, repeat this process for all 60 scenes. Now don't skip this step. Upscale all images to higher resolution. Why? Because better quality equals better video output. Low quality images equals blurry videos. So always upscale before moving forward. Now we bring everything to life. You have two powerful free tools. Option 1, Meta AI. Open Meta AI, click New Chat, upload image, select video mode, paste motion prompt, and press enter. Option 2, Grok. Click Imagine, upload image, paste motion prompt, generate. Meta AI gives smooth visuals. Grok gives better motion, automatic sound effects. Use both for best results. Repeat this process for all images. Now it's time to assemble everything. Open your video editor, import all clips, arrange them in sequence, scene 1 to scene 2 to scene 3. Now enhance your video. Add transitions, black fade is best. Add cinematic background music, adjust clip timing. This step gives your video a professional feel. Finally, export in highest resolution. This method is still new. Very few creators are using it properly. That means less competition means more opportunity. If you start today and stay consistent, you can easily reach millions of views, strong income. But remember one thing, consistency is everything. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button. Share it with your friends so they can also benefit.